Hi doctor, how are you? I scheduled this appointment because during the last months I feel without appetite. I feel like I'm not growing and I have seizures. In addition, I did some medical studies that show that I have low levels of carnitine. My hair is bigger and weakened. Do you have any idea of what it could be?
Well, I have in mind a disease called isobutyryl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency. In other words, is the lack of an enzyme in charge of handling an amino acid called valine.
Really? And what is valine?
Valine is one of the 20 amino acids that cells use to synthesize proteins. Valine intervenes in the formation of muscle tissue, favors a positive nitrogen balance, repairs tissues, and can also produce energy.
But it's really a good thing. Why the body needs to decompose the valine?
Everything in excess is bad, and this is not the exception. For example, it can cause skin, liver, or nervous system disorders.
I have a lot of questions about it. If this is common and where the valine can be found.
I'm going to answer that questions, but in case that you want to know more about it, you can communicate with Basilia, who is an expert in this ambit. And this is actually a very strange disease. On the other hand, valine, same than other amino acids, is found in food with proteins such as red meat, chicken, eggs, etc.
So, doctor, thank you for your information.
What would you like to know?
Is there any hand related to this disease?
Of course, it's the mutation of the gene ACAD8. This gene is the responsible of the production of the enzyme IBD.
And one last thing. Which functional group is in these biomolecules?
A very simple question to answer. Because we know that isobutyryl dehydrogenase is a protein. These monomers are amino acid. In amino acid, the base functional group is a carboxy. The carboxy group is a very well-known functional group, as it is the compound of a huge amount of biomolecules. So if you want to know, his formula is a carbon chain after oxygen, a hydroxyl, and finally a carbon. But amino acids are characterized by its R chain. In the R chain, you have also a functional group. For example, valine. Valine is an amino acid which contains a polydipeptide chain, amino group because it's an enzyme, and obviously the carboxyl group because it's the base group of function of amino acid. Because enzymes are formed by polypeptide chain of amino acid, they have enormous quantity of further functional group, one for each amino acid.
Okay, so thank you for answering my doubts.